everyone. We are at Home Pro. Cannot see too well, but 9 o'clock. I guess they open in 5 minutes. But the builder, our brother, or my wife's brother, he said now they're going to do the tile on the start next week. So we have to come over here. This is where we're getting, I think I showed in the last video, that gray tile for downstairs. And he said they have good quality tile here. So we're gonna look for upstairs and stuff. We have a budget of 300 baht a square meter. We're gonna have to pay extra for that gray tile. It's more, but no problem there. So the kids and my mother-in-law are here so they can pick out what they want for their room, and as soon as they open, we'll go in and take a look. Maybe we'll look at some other stuff too, refrigerators, toilets, sinks, that kind of stuff. Alrighty, we'll see you in a few minutes here. Okay, so we're ready to go in. They're open, it's 9 o'clock. Hopefully they're open. We will see. They have filters here, baby. Maybe 15,000 baht. Maybe they have other ones too. We will look. What do you need to do? Oh, 17. Maybe they have other filters. We'll look when we're here too. Yeah. Sawadee krap. At least it's air conditioned in here. That's nice. Look at a couple of these refrigerators since they're right here. But we already have one picked out. I think these are too small. And maybe there's a bigger one over here, I think. Let's take a peek. Yes. Which is this one? Ah, that's a good price. Maybe we end up with one without ice maker. Maybe we buy ice machine. 18,000. What do you think? 19,000. This one 22. Which way are we going anyway? Okay. We need this too. They have it, huh? Either glass or black you want. You don't want stainless, right? You don't want this? This color?
I like that color.
You like black, right? They have more over here? Okay. More hoods or no? No more hoods.
ตัวนี้จะเป็นวิธีจะโชว์เตาที่ดูดก็คือนี่คือสามารถแยกได้ใช่ครับ
With a three burner. How much for this one and this hood, baby? This one and
ตัวนี้ใช่ไหมครับเดี๋ยวผมรวม
15, around 16.
Around 16. Okay. What happens?
ค่าเต็มเหรอ
ใช่ครับตัวนี้เป็นราคาเต็มครับผู้หญิง
What about if we need more? If we need more, do you buy this separate? You understand? If we this far we need this much, we only get this. How do we buy just this to cover pipe? You understand?
อ๋อใส่ท่อ
ครับก็คือตัวนี้มันจะเป็นตัวปิดท่อให้ครับก็คือมันจะยืดได้จะแถม
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
This one and this one
16.
but here and it will cheap, but it's just that the product that they show in the
Oh, it's used, not used,
not
but
used,
but
that
they look,
only
yeah,
show,
yeah.
not a
I
brand
don't-
new from box.
I don't
but-
care about that.
Yeah.
What about which hood? They have other hoods or no? So this one would be 1,000. This one would only be 15 because it's 1,000 cheaper.
Yeah, yeah.
This is
อัน
kind.
นี้อันไหนดีกัน
ถ้าเป็นตัวนี้กับรุ่นนี้นะครับ
I don't mind the stainless.
แนะนำตัวรุ่นนี้จะดีกว่า
he say this one better
ตัวเนี้ย
Why is that?
แผ่นกรองจะเป็นสแตนเลสซึ่งจะกรองน้ำมันได้ดีกว่า แล้วก็
Filter.
สะอาดง่าย
filter is stainless
It's okay.
ครับผม
I'm not going to be
เป็น
sucking.
ฟิลเตอร์มีเนียมธรรมดา
I like this. You don't like stainless though? You don't like the stainless? You want they have more hoods? Where do they have their hoods?
หรือ
มัน
ว่า
ข้างในมีอีก
หรือว่าจะไปดูข้างในตัวใหม่ก็ได้นะครับ ก็จะมีเป็นจับชุดเซ็ต
These
กัน
these are just the display models, right?
Yeah.
The ones that are on display.
but they have inside too
Okay, we'll look and we'll
ดู
see.
ข้างในกันก็ได้ขอบคุณมากนะคะ
Up on cup. Oh, for mom. Nice. Scooter. Too big? What about this one?
This one for you the camera
That one? Look, somebody steal the bike. Good. 42,000. Wow. For children's room, right? 75 inch for each room, yeah?
no
Oh, we-
stainless steel
The other one's real stainless.
when you cook they don't have like smoke what you say
เรื่องจะเป็นสแตนเลสแท้
this one real
Ah, I see, I see. Well, up to you. To tell you the truth, I don't care too much about whether it have service or whatever. I like this one. I like the way it look, you know. This-
ถ้ามีปัญหามาทำ
These made by same company. Look at the burner.
Yes,
Made by same
he
company.
say This company make
Make, yes, I could
yes,
tell. But they don't have a warranty on this.
Yes.
But they have any warranty? 1 year or no?
อันนี้ประกัน1 ปีบอก
ใช่ครับผม
1 year?
แต่ตัวนี้จะ2 ปี
This one 2 years
I think this one. What do you like the black better?
Yeah but
Is it this one or they have new? Is it the floor model?
อันนี้มันมีอันใหม่เนาะไม่ใช่จากอันนี้นะ
ครับ
หรือ
แต่
ว่า
ว่าตัวนี้ต้องออเดอร์เหมือนกันนะครับ
อ๋อ need to order too
ออเดอร์เหมือนกัน
Okay,
10 วันเหมือนกันใช่ไหม
ใช่
up to you. I figured 10,000
อ่าฮะ
each. 10,000 because I was going to get 3 burner
อ่าฮะ
or 4 burner, but I don't need.
อ่าฮะ
And hood 10,000 and oven 10,000. So if we get this and that oven over there, it's only 20,000. We save 10,000 baht.
โอเค
What do you think? Okay. I'm going to take this one.
แต่ว่าอันนี้
Does it have this?
มันไม่มีสีดำใช่ไหมยี่ห้อนี้อ่ะ
สีดำล่ะครับ สีดำมันจะเป็นอีกแบบหนึ่งครับผู้หญิงจะอยู่ฝั่งนี้ต้อง
ก็ถือ
What about oven? I want to look at the oven again real quick.
จะดูเตาอบ
I like the black.
ไอ้ชอบสีด
อ๋อ
This one, 12,000.
ำดูมัมคอ
My mom called me?
จ้า
Oh. This one. Open. Is this the same name? Same name
เชมิม
as what we're going to get? Plenty big enough. I don't know if you guys can see that. And for 10,000 baht, I think it's a good deal. And it's convection too. So cool. All right. We'll go look some more. Oh, you know what else we need too? We need this. Yeah. Is this the same as that oven? Same make as that oven?
ตัวไอ้ที่โต๊ะอบที่99น่ะมันจะเป็นของพี่โนครับผมฝ่ายนี้เป็นของเดกา
no the same brand
Okay.
ครับ
We'll look at these after we look at this.
แนะนำคือจะเป็นตัวชุดเซ็ตมาใหม่ล่าสุดเลยนะครับน่าจะเป็นตัวสีดำ
A set
Yeah, too much.
set for set
The other one's only 9,000 for set.
yeah but this one the black color
นี่ครับผู้หญิง
Oh, black color.
เป็นตัวนี้
Okay.
they is real stainless
ครับกรองน้ำมันได้ดีแล้วก็สามารถทำความสะอาดได้ง่าย
What's the difference? Oh, this is black. This is not.
แล้วจะมี
อ๋อ
ถาด
ยี่
ร
ห้อ
อง
เดียวกันแต่คนละ
ใช่
สี
ครับตัวนี้จะเป็นถาดรองน้ำ
Oh, okay, the grease.
ใช่ครับ
I like this one
ครับ
Okay. 14,000.
for both new
ครับ
new design
รับประกัน 2 ปีเหมือนกัน
2 years
ถ้ามีปัญหามีอะไรจะ
Let me
เซอร์วิ
see.
สฟรี
Oh, this is MEX. This is from Italy too.
อันนี้มาจากอิตาลีใช่ไหม
ตัวนี้ไม่ใช่ครับตัวเป็นของไทยเลย
อ๋อ
What?
they have service in Thai
Yeah, because this is the same name as oven.
yes yes
ครับผมเนี่ยครับก็คือการกรองน้ำมันมันจะดีกว่าตัวที่เป็นแผ่นฟิลเตอร์มีเนียมครับกรองน้ำมันดีกว่าทำสะอาดง่ายกว่า
cheap than the outside right outside 16 right
Yes.
ตัวนี้เป็นสปาร์คถ่านด้วย
Ah, okay.
เอาอันนี้มันคืออะไร
เป็นสปาร์คถ่านครับผู้หญิงสปาร์ค
Battery or no?
แก๊สติดนะครับผม
อ๋อ
ใช่
Battery?
จะใช้
มั
ถ่าน
นทำจากแบตเตอรี่วะหรือว่าจากอะไร
ก็คือเป็นถ่านก้อนหนึ่งครับเป็นแบตเต
อ๋
อ
อ
รี่ครับ
yes แบตเตอรี่
สามารถเปลี่ยน
You have to charge. You have to plug in.
เปลี่ยน
ถ่านเดียวผมยกให้ดู
อ๋อ they have แบต
Oh, okay, okay,
จะอยู่นี้ใส่
okay,
ปิด
okay.
ล่าง
แล้วมันถ้าเกิดมันโดนความร้อนมันจะละลายไหม
ตัวไหนครับ
ไอ้ฐานข้างล่าง
อ๋อไม่ความร้อนไม่ได้ลงล่างครับผู้หญิงความร้อนจะขึ้นข้างบนครับ แต่ว่าเวลาเอาไปฝังครับผู้หญิงก็คือเอาไปวางไว้เฉยเลยให้ช่างเขาเจาะหลุมให้แล้วก็วาง ไม่ต้องยาแนวหรือว่ายิงซิลิโคนนะครับใช่ครับเพราะว่าใช่ครับก่อนปลาหมองมาปุ๊บก็เอาไปส่งที่ที่ตั้งผู้หญิงได้เลย
อ๋อ
ใช่
It's a lot cheaper. 9,000,
yes
but not black.
I like that one
The one over there or this one? This one? Okay.
the black this one black this one เตาครับ What do you think
It's okay. I'll look at the other one. But so didn't they have one that was black, right? This one I like better.
งั้นเดี๋ยวผมเปิดตัวแผ่นทองเอง
I like the glass, and it still have the black.
ตัวนี้ผมกรองมันจะเป็นมีเนียมธรรมดา
Yeah, we're not. I don't. Just wash, right?
เป็นตัวเป็นตัวแผ่นกรองไอ้น้ำมันนะครับผู้หญิงครับมันจะเป็นมีเนียมธรรมดาครับแต่ถ้าเวลาผู้หญิงไม่ค่อยได้ทำสะอาดก็มันจะมีไอหยดลง
อ่า
ใช่
Drip.
คือมันจะไม่มีตัวถาดรองเหมือนตรงที่
they will don't have for oil
Right.
when they will go to but this one they don't have they will come down something like this
Up to you. Whatever you want. You want the other one? Yeah. Okay. And which oven? The same oven?
but we need to order 7 to 10 days and we need to pay and then when the this one come they will send to our house for free
Okay. Well, let's look at the oven again. This one MEX too.
yes but this one this price
เป็นจะขายแยกนะครับ
Oh, this
not for
15,
set.
not for set.
yes
Okay. This one or this one? You want to match, right? We need to
Yes,
match. Okay.
yes, yes.
How much for that one and this one all together?
อันนี้กับอันนู้นเท่าไหร่
ตัวนี้ครับเดี๋ยวรวมให้ค
มี
รับ
โปรโมชั่นไหม
ได้ครับมีครับผู้หญิงมีของแถมให้ด้วย
อ่า
ครับผม
they have discount too if you buy the same
ที่
brand
27,000ครับ
อันนี้ลดยัง
ตัวนี้ยังครับ แต่ว่าเดี๋ยวจะดูของแถมให้
How much total?
ของแถม
I cannot see. 27?
800
2800. So same as what I thought. 10, 10, and 10.
yeah
30,000.
and they will give free something
Okay. Okay. We will take order this one and that one over there and this one.
นี่จะอบในตัว
And this one, right, baby?
yes
This one. Okay. Alrighty. So I guess we're getting those three.
ตัวนี้เป็นหัวทองเหลืองนะครับผู้หญิงสามารถกด
And I guess they're made in Italy.
สามารถกดได้
So now we're over, going to look at some tile, I guess. You want a white?
no no upstairs
Oh, here it is here. Yes, yeah. How come it's 5:15?
above this one for both
What's this? The same,
one
right?
for square meter
Same?
the same
What is this one? You like lighter or
I
darker?
like this one
Okay. That 358 per square meter?
yes
So we will owe 58 baht for every square meter, right? Okay. That's not bad. I like the light one too. Actually, I like this one better. You like this one or this one? You still like that one better? Why? You know the only reason I don't really like this one? I like it, but I don't like this. The brown.
but I like this
Okay. We decided on that one anyway. Same price, pretty much. 58, 64. Okay. I don't know how to make the lighting in here. I don't know how to stop that, guys. Well, we can stop the video. Okay, now we're looking for maybe some backsplash. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's good.
ไหนให้ดูหน่อย
Ah, white. I like the subway tile. Look, this one. We're thinking about putting this glass. Oh, here's some here too. Same thing.
yeah
So maybe there's glass right along the back. Maybe like this. Maybe like that one there. Or this one. I think I like this one better. I think I like that one better. No, I don't know. I like this.
okay
Perfect, I think. This one here. Is that 200 a square meter?
อันนี้ต่อแผ่นบอก Each one
แต่ว่าสามารถตัดได้
Each tile?
yeah
But we don't need many. Because kitchen only
yes
maybe 4
Maybe
meter,
maybe half we cut half
half. Yeah, that's a good idea too. Okay. All right, where did he want to go? What is this one? This the same thing or different?
the same thing
A little bit different. No,
the same
same. Okay. How many are in here? There's more than one. Oh no, maybe one.
one
One? Okay. I don't like mirror. Not in the kitchen.
bathroom
Bathroom? Baby, what is this? Who make? Not American Standard, huh? These two are? Okay. Here's one here too, baby. That's not American Standard though. Okay, we'll go ahead. What we're heading into right now is their design center. We picked out all the tile pretty much. Then they're going to do the design for us and then call us. When we get that back, I will also do a video on that. We also went and picked out some granite from another place, so it all looks good. Hello everyone. We just got done over at Home Pro. We ended up buying the cooktop, the hood, and the oven. And we looked at a bunch of tile and gave them all the tile, and I guess they're going to design, so they'll call us later when they get it all designed. They have the plans for the house and stuff, so hopefully we'll get some information on that. But paid for that. It was $28,850 for the hood, the cooktop, and the oven. And I guess they're made in Italy or something. Anyway, they look good to me. Anyway, now we're going to get something to eat, and then we're going to go look at some granite. We'll see how all that goes. So I'll show you whatever we're going to eat here. I will show you in a few minutes. Alrighty. Well, I forgot to actually show you the food before it got there. But it was 420 baht. We had like 6 items. It was cheap. But just to let you know, we went and looked at some granite, and I'll do another video on that. But for this one, I think there's plenty in there. They're also doing some design. When I get the design back, I'll do a video. Thanks for watching.